Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sumit's Quintessence, and this video is a very special video for me because it's a small gift from me to my sister on the eve of Rakhi. So I'm going to gift it to her. I've done a small portrait of my sister's son. His name is Gyanu. So I hope you guys will like it. So these are few of the pictures that has been taken while it was in progress. So please watch the video till the end, guys. I'll be explaining some of the details which will be very much useful for you guys. And it's not a kind of tutorial video, but still do watch till the end. There will be many small details which I'll be explaining as the video progresses. And yes, it's a time-lapse video recording. So this is the complete project. So let's watch the video. So the paper that I've used in this project is Strathmore Bristol 250 GSM paper, and the pencil that I've used is Steadtlers. So I'll be giving the full description of what all the art materials that I've used in this in the description box. So later on you guys can go and check over there. And I've already created videos on which pencils are the best suitable for beginners and advanced level. So if you have not watched those videos, please go and have a look on those videos. It will be very much useful for beginners as well as advanced. So as you can see over the screen, this is a child face. So I need a very smooth texture for the skin. So I have done this portrait entirely using graphite pencils, like first layer with 2H pencil, second layer with HB pencil, and then as and when I'm increasing the layer, I'm increasing the pencil sets. So as I told, like for the first layer I've used 2H pencil, and as I've done this portrait entirely using graphite pencils. So this is one way in which you draw your portraits. There are other techniques as well, like I've seen people basically who use charcoal powder for putting the first layer, and on top of that they basically work with other higher grades of pencils. That is also one of the best way of doing your work faster. So whenever you are doing any portraits and you are working on very small portion of that portrait, as you can see I am working on the lips, you have to remember that you should always keep your pencil very sharp, and the tools that you basically use for blending, it should be very neat and clean. Coming to hairs, I have used B pencil for putting the first layer, blended it with brush, then again used 3B pencil, 4B pencil, 6B pencil according to the darkness. And again, whenever you are doing hairs, you should always put your strokes along the flow of the direction of the hairs to make it look more realistic and to give it a realistic look. So if you guys don't know the difference between the charcoal and the graphite over here, just a small difference between the charcoal and the graphite that will be useful for you. Whenever you will put your graphite drawings under the light, they will shine, and this is what happening at this portion of my sketch. You can see that it is not looking as much as dark because it's a little bit kind of shining over here. But whenever you do any portraits using charcoal and put it under the light, it will not shine. It will give you the exact darkness as you can see from any angle. So over here I'm working on his hand. He's basically folding his hands behind his head and standing in front of a cooler. So I'll be doing the part of that cooler as well. So just keep watching. So doing your portraits in this layering manner, certainly it takes time, but the end result and the final result that you will get once it is done, it will be superb, and you will be very much happy seeing the end result. So as you can see over the screen, now I'm working on his t-shirt. And talking about the t-shirt, first I've done those stripes using the darker pencils, as you can see over the screen, and then I'm putting the shadings wherever and whenever it is required. And at every stage I'm using brush to blend it properly to give it a more realistic look. So to work on these smaller areas which takes your time and which needs your concentration, certainly you need to have lots of patience for that. And you should never lose your patience doing these kind of smaller areas. These are the some of the areas in your portraits that certainly takes time. And once you are done finishing those areas with much clarity, your entire portrait will look awesome. So as I said earlier, he is folding his hands and standing in front of a cooler. So over here, as you can see, I'm working on the part of the cooler. So guys, the sketching is almost at the verge of completion, and I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, do share and subscribe to my channel, Sumit's Quintessence, for similar kind of project works, tutorials and much more. I'll be very happy to share my knowledge with you all. So please do subscribe to my channel. So the portrait is completed, and let's now remove the tape. And as you can see over the screen, how much clear and finishing look it gives. So be careful whenever you are removing these tapes. As you can see, I just took a bit of my portion of my sketch. So you need to be careful in that. So let's now have a closer look. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope you guys liked it. Do share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon as well to get instant notifications. I'll be continuously uploading similar kind of works, project works and tutorials in coming days. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, and do let me know your queries in the comment box, or mail me. You can mail me. I'll be putting my mail ID in the description box. And also you can directly DM me for any kind of such commission works and all. I'll be very happy to take those. So that's all for today. Thank you from Sumit's Quintessence. Have a nice day.